Hello, this video is going to explain what summation notation is. Now, summation means to add. And what we have right here is the Greek letter sigma. And all it means is to add. And to add what? Well, what's next to it is a formula. So it wants you to add the values from the formula, from the first value to the last value. And the K right here is called your index. It's really your first value is a lower bound, and the last value is called your upper bound. So the way we say this is find the sum, that's what sigma is, find the sum of the formula k squared plus 1 from the first value 1 to the fourth value. So this is how it actually works. You take where the index is starting. So we have k equals 1, and you're going to substitute 1 into the formula. So we're going to have 1 squared plus 1. That's your first term. Now you're going to add the next piece. You're going to take this and add the next piece, which is when you plug in 2. So now we have 2 squared plus 1. You're going to add the next value when you plug in 3. You're going to add the next value, which is the last value, when you plug in 4. So we started at the first value, you end when you plug in the last value. And you add all those values up together to get the sum. Now, your calculator can do this for you. So if we take our calculator, in the calculator, where you're going to go is alpha, window, choice 2. It says summation, and it has the sigma there. So alpha, window, choice 2. And you're going to put, unfortunately, your calculator doesn't have different variables. The only variable in your calculator is x. So you're going to put x equals, we're going from 1, scroll up to 4. And instead of k squared plus 1, we're going to put x squared plus 1. You're going to hit the enter button, and it tells you that this sum is 34. Let's try it again. You have find the sum of 3 times 2 to the k minus 1 from k equals 1 to 3. So we're adding 3 values together, right, as you go from 1 to 3. We're going to take k equals 1, and we're going to plug it in. So 3 times 2 to the 1 minus 1 plus. Now we're going to plug in 2. So 3 times 2 to the 2 minus 1. Now we're going to plug in 3. 3 times 2 to the 3 minus 1. And we're going to stop because we got to the ending value. You can do this on your own or in your head, whatever. But I'm going to go to my calculator just to show you, again, the calculator can do it. You go to alpha, window, choice 2. We're starting at x equals 1. We're going up to 3. And we do 3 times 2 to the x minus 1. And the sum of those 3 values would come out to be 21. And we actually use this for something called series that we're going to learn about tomorrow.